This is a 2005 E500 Mercedes for matic. Okay, we're gonna replace the idler and tensioner. You're gonna replace both when there's a noise. Okay, it's not the bell squeaking. It was the idler and most likely a very weak tensioner spring. Okay, so before you remove the drive bell, serpentine bell, you gotta lose this bolt. Is use T47 to lose that one, and also lose the tensioner centerpiece pulley. That bolt is .40, okay, T40, because if you don't lose that, you will not be able to remove this bolt, okay? Because once the tensioner move, it going to block it, so you cannot remove it. So you have to take out the old one. You got to remove the centerpiece, okay, pulley. You lose this. After you remove the belt, you remove the pulley, then you'll be able to lose the bottom one. All right, that's gonna use E14, okay? And for the tensioner, this one is 17 millimeter. Once you get to that, and to install, of course, because there's a pin to hold it. So after you install it, then you put the belt on, then you can remove the pin. It will block this bolt, all right? That's a E14 right there, okay? So when you to lose that, you gotta remove this pulley over there. Otherwise, you're not gonna be able to remove the tensioner, all right? This is the trick of this car. But other than that, it shouldn't be difficult, all right? And a lot of time, you might forget about how to reroute the serpentine bell. Draw a diagram first, okay? Before you move, all right? Good luck.